Ooh, nice freaking bass. Nice bass. First cast. First cast at the home lake. Haven't caught a largemouth in a freaking, in a minute. Yes, wow. Just like that. Boom. Early April. Nice friggin' bass. Here at the home lake. Early yet. But, what a nice chunky bass. Let's get him back in, guys. No kayak today. I won't be for, I don't know, maybe soon if I caught him like that. But going to keep trying, see if we get anything else. First cast, too. Nice. We got a decent fish on, guys. Really decent fish. Ooh, nice bass. He must have gut hooked it or something. Yep, he gut hooked it. He thumped this thing on the new rod. The water temp must have went to the 50s or something. Or oh, yes. Look at that, guys. That's a nice one there. Close to 16 inches. He thumped this thing. Let's get him back in. Nice. Nice early season bass fishing, home lake. Get him in. Nice. Nice. On the new rod, guys. New Victor rod, 7'1" medium. Nice rod. See if we get another one. Another one, guys, right after the freaking second one. You're fighting good. Early season, guys. This water temp wishes just hit low 50s or something. Yes. Let's go. 3 bass already. Freaking early season bass fishing. The home lake. It's finesse style. Oh. Look at that, guys. Nice friggin' chunky bass. Let's get him back in. What a beautiful fish. Let's get him back in. Awesome. Let's freaking go. We got a nice fish, guys. Really nice fish. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Like really big. What is this thing? Whoa. Oh my God. This bass is, oh my God, huge walleye. Yes, whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. That is insane. Oh my God. You gotta be serious. He didn't even fight that hard. For how big this fish is. Look at that fish. Early season. That's a monster. A friggin' monster. What a beast of a fish. Oh, he hit it hard, but he just didn't fight. Oh, he bit me. He bit me. All right, I'm gonna get him on hook, guys. On a new rod too. Awesome. All right, guys, I have made a little thing here for him to sit in. He's fine. We don't live far from this lake, so my dad's gonna come over here, check him out, and get a nice glamour shot, a nice photo of him. What a beautiful fish. Man, this is another nice fish. Man, he's just fighting. Ooh, that's enough. Man, he's fighting good. Got him now. Yes. What a freaking day on the shoreline. This is an amazing day so far, guys. 4 really nice bass. Oh my God, I thought my walleye left. He took my grippers with me. In a trophy walleye. Especially from where I'm at. That's a trophy. Let's get him in. Awesome. Let's freaking go. Look at that, guys. Big walleye. Wow. Really nice walleye. I want to get him back in though. What a beautiful fish. Starting out fishing here. Wow. What an awesome fish. Especially on the new rod too. That's pretty awesome. That's awesome, bud. Get him back in. What a big fish. All right, let's get him in. Get him in. He'll be fine. This water's cool enough. What a big fish. He's gonna be gone. Wow.
Oh.
Ooh, nice one. Might be one of the last ones before, might be one of the last fish for today. This is a nice one. Ooh, yeah. I went down the lake a little bit on another spot. I didn't get anything. There we go. Oh man, he almost cut us off. That was my fault though. Nice. Nice fish. What a nice freaking bass. What a good day. 5 bass and a freaking trophy walleye. Can't really get better than that. Get back in. Nice. Yeah, that might be one of the last fish. We might get one more, but wow. Just a really good day so far. Really good day. I didn't even have the kayak out here either, so give it a couple more casts and see what happens. This thing slammed this freaking thing. Wow. They feel like 100 pounds. Wait, is that another one following them? I don't like flipping them. There we go. Beaching them. Oh man, he was so good. Oh. Well, this might be the last bass of the today. Wow, what a great day, guys. Early season. Look at that. Beautiful bass. Chunky little guy. Getting released. Something got a hold of him, if you can kind of see. Nice. Wow, what a day. Well, I'm kind of right. Tomorrow, in the next couple of days, it's gonna be really like crappy out. A lot of rain, even like a mix of like light snow or rain. But those fish are hitting right before that. But that water temp's probably bolted up in the 50s. But I want to see if I get maybe one more, but I really think that might be the last fish. This is a weird fish. Oh, it's a bass. Oh my God. Wow, this guy's fighting with all this freaking might. Yep, we're gonna flip him in. This is the smallest bass today, guys. Yeah, this is actually the first like smaller one. And for a lot of places, state lakes, that's like a normal sized bass. That previous fish wasn't the last fish of the day. It's this guy now. Number 7. Wow, okay. The weird thing is now I'm getting them a little closer in now, which is kind of funny. I was getting them out far now. They're in a little closer. I caught those last 2 fish, but well, see if we get one more, but I don't know. All right, guys, overall, what a great evening this was. I was not expecting to be this good. I wasn't expecting to make a video again, but great bass. Early season April. It's probably the water temp. I don't have my fish finder with me or like anything to take the temperature, but I would say that water's probably in the low 50s, like probably not even 53. It's probably like 52, 51, 50 in that ballpark range. Now, as soon as that water temp warmed up, these fish are starting to hit. I fished previous days when the water temp is in the mid-high 40s, nothing, not even a bump. Now I caught 8 really nice fish, really good sized bass, finesse fishing techniques, and a really big walleye. That was the fish of the day. Trophy fish, just an awesome fish. The rod that I am using is a 7'1" medium Victory rod. I love this rod. This is a great rod. Testing it out now, it handled perfect with these fish. So great day, guys. It's early finesse fishing for these bass and walleye. So overall, great day, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Later, guys.